We're looking at the Redesigned SAT, Test 2, Section 3, Question 15. The question simply states the expression 5x minus 2 over x plus 3 is equivalent to which of the following? And we have 4 answer choices. This is a multiple choice. The answer choices also include x. Anytime we have variables in the question and variables in the answer, we can put in our own numbers for that variable. I am going to use 0 today, because it makes this one nice and clean and neat. So x equals 0. So if I put in 0 for x, I get 5 times 0 minus 2, and then 0 plus 3. So anything times 0, of course, is 0. So we get negative 2 over 3. So that's our answer when x equals 0. So now we look at the answer choices, and we're simply putting in 0 for x again. Now in A we don't have an x, so we're just looking at what is this equal. 5 minus 2 over 3 is simply 3 over 3, which is 1. Obviously that doesn't work. B doesn't have a variable either. We've got 5 minus 2/3. Now think logically for a minute. 5 minus 2/3 is not going to get us a negative 2/3, because 5 is simply too big when you're just subtracting negative 2/3 from it. Then I'm going to look at C. Now we're getting a little more interesting, because we have our x. So now I have 5 minus 2 over x plus 3. Again, I'm going to take out my x and put in a 0. So I have 5 minus 2/3. Well, that's exactly the same as B. That doesn't work for B, doesn't work for C. Now we look at D. I've got 5 minus 17 over x plus 3. Again, I'm going to take out that x and put in 0. So now I have 5 minus 17 over 3. In order to make this, or us able to subtract the 17 over 3, we're going to change the 5 to something over 3. So 5 times 3 is 15, so 5 turns into 15 over 3. Minus 17 over 3 gives us negative 2/3. So there's our answer. It matches our answer when x is equal to 0. For this particular problem, you could really make x just about anything you want, and it will, as long as you stay consistent with making your x a different number, you'll find that you'll be able to match up what you get out with one of the answers. Now, as always, I will go ahead and do the math teacher way. So now when we look at the problem, we're basically going to divide this instead. So we have 5x plus 2 divided by x plus 3. If you remember doing this in math, we're looking at the lead number, so we're going to put x into 5x 5 times. Multiply 5 times x, you get 5x. We also have to multiply the 3 by the 5, and we get plus 15. And I managed to put the wrong sign in there. That should be negative 2. So once we go subtract both of these, like you would in any long division, 5x minus 5x is 0. Negative 2 minus 15 is negative 17. That's our remainder when we're dividing these two. So our remainder goes over this polynomial. So we have 5 minus 17 over x plus 3, because that negative 17 over x plus 3 is our remainder when we divide these two. And that, of course, is D. Either way will get you there, but use whichever method works best for you.